Mathematicians! That's me. That's you. Hi guys. How you doing? We're back to 3-digit subtraction. I told you when we jump in the deep end, you're always with me. I don't want you to worry about that. Remember that magnifying glass I told you about? That's what we're doing when we're subtracting with 3-digit subtraction. 3-digit problems. We're oftentimes looking at them and we're deciding, do we need to ungroup? That magnifying glass, you even see it sometimes on your lessons. That means they want you to magnify that top number. And that top number, right, the top number in subtraction it's our total. We're taking a total and we're removing an add-in to find that other unknown add-in. So they talk about like magnifying that number and really looking at it. Do I need to ungroup? So we talked about that this week already. So friends, we're going to right now talk about another way of looking at 3-digit subtraction. So friends, I'm going to sit right here and I want us to remember our biggest thing this is do I know when to ungroup? Yeah. It's kind of a difficult thing. It can be kind of challenging because sometimes everybody thinks we ungroup all the time. That's not true. It's kind of like we don't always make a 10 and bring it over to the tens place, or we don't always make a new 100. So we have to be really careful on that, and that's being mathematical. That's being a mathematician. Yep, that's me. Friends, I want you to look at this problem right here. I'll read it with you. That's her, I know, Tony, my girl. Tony has 736 buttons. I don't know why, she doesn't sew. She gave Sam 543. How many buttons does Tony have now? Now the situation equation's pretty comfortable, isn't it? Yep. Tony has 736 buttons, and she gave Sam 543. If she gave some away, is she adding or is she subtracting? Yep, I hear you. She is. She's subtracting. So our situation equation would be, we have this as our total. I'll put a T for total. That's also what Tony has. And she gave, she took away from her total, subtracted 543. We are looking for the unknown add-in. What is she lefted? What is left? What is left of the buttons? That's what she gave. So what is left? So on your oh, you betcha. On your whiteboards, can you solve this for me? What would this look like if you did it in a vertical equation? If you're going to do it horizontal, you're going pretty fast. If you go vertical, then at least I feel like you're going to be able to show some of your understanding. Again, it's your whiteboard. It's your math challenge. 736, take away 543. I'll do it like up here on the whiteboard, and you can do it at home. 736, and I'm doing it vertical. Take away 543. If you've noticed, and I hope you're noticing at home, I am very comfortable keeping my ones with my ones, my tens, and my 100s. It's important. You need to know how to line them up. If you look on the back of your whiteboards, you'll notice that there are squares. Sometimes boys and girls will use those to help them keep their numbers and their place values. For example, 736, 543, boys and girls, sometimes friends will use this backboard to help them keep themselves organized. This is being organized with your place value. It's important. You know it. So friends, here we go. I'm looking at this. I know when to ungroup. I gotta think. Gotta get my magnifying glass out and look at that number. Magnify it. Top number, the total. 3. Can I get it out of the 6? Yeah. 6 take away 3. You bet. It's a double, Mrs. Seitz. I know. 3 tens. Take away 4. Really, if I had 3 tens, 10, 20, 30, could I get 4 tens out of there? Nope. There is a greater amount here. So if there's a greater amount, I need to go and ungroup from the next door. There are 7 100s. We can take one of them. So if I had 7 100s and I just took one of them away, I'd be left with, 6 100s. But I'm not going to get rid of that 100. I'm just going to ungroup it. Friends, I'm just going to set it free. It's like here, 10, 20. I'm going to remove it. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Friends, that is a 100. But if I ungroup it, if I take it, make it that 100, and I'm like, ooh, I ungroup it, and then it looks like this, then it sits right here. So then it's like I've got 10 tens, plus I have 3 tens. I have, oh, did you see it? I have 13 tens. 13 tens. Let's remember that. I brought a 100 over, so now I don't just have 30, I have 130. 130 is 13 tens. Ooh, this is getting really intense right here. That's really important. So 13 tens, you're going to take away 4 tens. We know, friends, what 13 take away 4 is, don't we? 4 and 6 more gets me to 10, and 3 more gets me to 13. So that means I have 9. That would mean 13 tens, take away 4 tens, is 9 tens. It would be 90. So friends, I'm looking at